Hey, thanks for dropping by this video. If you have bad credit and you're having problems getting financed on the car, you are in good luck today. Because today, and for a limited time only, you will get guaranteed financing. Doesn't matter how bad your credit is, you will get guaranteed financing. I mean, let's face it. If you don't have reliable transportation because you have bad credit, because you can't get a car loan, or because you have to rely on a cheesy buy here pay here lot, and after you buy the car and drive off the lot, it breaks down on you the very next day, or 2 days later, or 3 days later, or a month later. If that's the situation that you have found yourself in, there is hope. Hold on, there is good news, because you will get guaranteed financing today, regardless of how bad your credit is. Now, here's the deal. You got to have a job, and you have to have car insurance, and you have to be willing to make the payment. If that fits you, then you deserve to ride. So my name is Mel. Give me a call at 919-519-2721. As a matter of fact, send me a text message. If it goes to a voicemail, just make sure you leave me the required information, and I'm going to flash that for you in just a minute. So now, the car that you get, is it going to be a $50,000 Mercedes, Cadillac Escalade, BMW, Jaguar? Is it Maserati? Is it going to be Corvette? Is it going to be one of those cars? No, it's not. You have bad credit. That's okay. We're going to help you to improve your credit, but it's about managing your expectations. So if you do have bad credit, do not expect to walk off the lot with a $50,000 luxury vehicle or $100,000 luxury vehicle with no money down. Because even if you have money down and you have really bad credit, you are not going to be able to walk off the lot with one of those cars. And why would you want to anyways? Because the name of the game is you want to improve your credit. Start off crawling, then learn how to take baby steps, then learn how to walk right, then you will be on your way towards running. And that is what I am here to help you with today. Now, one thing I want to tell you is, when you give me a call today, right now, for a limited time, I'm going to give you a 3-day, 2-night hotel stay voucher for 2. Now, the first 100 people to call are going to receive a 7-day, 6-night hotel stay voucher for 2. That's for the first 100 people. Just please keep in mind that I only have a limited supply of these, so you better hurry and call me right now at 919-519-2721. Matter of fact, just send me a text message. If it goes to voicemail, just basically leave me your information. I mean, I need to know if you have a valid driver's license. Do you have a job? How much you make per week or per hour? How many hours per week do you work? What you can afford to pay weekly and monthly. And I'm going to try to, and so with this information, I'm going to identify hundreds and hundreds of different cars that might fit you perfectly for your particular circumstances. I also need to know how much money you have saved for down payment. Now, there's going to be a lot of cases to where you're not going to have to put any money down. Now, there's also going to be some cases to where if you want, you might be able to get into a really nice car, even though you have bad credit. And I don't mean the $50,000 Mercedes, but you may be required to put some money down. The purpose of putting money down is that it proves to the bank that you are sincere about making payments and keeping the car, and not repoing the car. That's really the purpose of the down payment, okay? So if you have a down payment, yes, it will be easier. It will open up more options for you in looking at the various different cars that we will be able to put you in. So I need to also know what kind of car, truck, SUV are you looking to get. Can you drive a 5-speed? Can you drive an automatic? Now, in order to qualify for the weekend getaway, this information must be included on the voicemail or the text message that you leave for me. Okay? Also, don't forget to leave me your phone and your email address. So I will need your phone, a good working phone, and an email address so that you can qualify for this. Okay? That is vitally important. Please do not forget that. And there's going to be plenty of cars for you to pick from. We have some cars to get you from point A to point B. We have some cars that are really nice, and we have some cars that are super nice. And everything in between. It's just a matter of at first matching you to a car, even if it only costs $6,000, like this car, 2008 Chrysler PT Cruiser, or a minivan, or a truck, or an SUV. But the point is, we want to put you into a vehicle. And it's going to be in a vehicle that's not going to break down in a couple days or in a couple months. And it's going to be a vehicle that's going to have a warranty. Okay? So it's going to be a vehicle that's going to have a warranty for you. That's going to help take the stress away from purchasing a used car. Because it's one thing to purchase, obviously all new cars automatically have a warranty on it. So it's one thing to purchase the used car, but it sure does suck when you purchase a used car, truck, or SUV, and it breaks down the very next day or the very next week, and you feel like you're stuck. That, my friends, is definitely not a good feeling. Okay? And we don't want that to happen to you. So we're going to match you up, because you do deserve to ride today. You deserve a car that's going to help you to get a better paying job. You deserve a car to where you don't have to be standing out in the rain, sleet, and snow, and in 110-degree weather during the summertime. You deserve a car that has AC and a heater. You deserve a car that's not going to break down on you every other day. Give me a call right now. Now, one other special thing that I want to tell you about. This is really awesome. After you purchase this car, after you get your 3-day or 7-day, 6-night hotel stay voucher, after you get the $100 in cash back gas, after you get the $100 in cash back groceries, you will have a legitimate opportunity to have this new car that you purchase paid off for you within the next 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 months or a year. This is a special limited time program, and you can only get this from me. That's why you need to call the number on the video, 919-519-2721, or send a text message. Basically, after you purchase this car, I'm going to show you a special program that will pay the car off for you. And it's really simple. You don't have to jump through the hoops to be able to qualify for this. I'm going to give you more details after you stop by to see me. So make sure that you click on the link up underneath this video to send me an email, or simply call the number on your screen. Thanks, and I can't wait to get you riding.